It must be time-consuming if you manually split a large PowerPoint presentation that contains lots of slides and each contains different elements. In this video tutorial, we would show you a much easier way on how to split a PowerPoint presentation into two separate ones, or for example, half the slides in each presentation. So for the first thing you want to do is launch Microsoft PowerPoint and open the presentation you're working on. Then you have to duplicate the file to have two identical presentations. You can do this by going to the File tab, select Save As, and then save it as a new name or its current name. Now that you have two identical presentations, you can delete half the slides in one presentation and then delete the other half of the slides in the other presentation as well. Just make sure not to get confused while deleting it, so making it side by side in the screen is helpful. You can do that by pressing the Windows key and the left or right arrow key on your keyboard. You can delete half the slides in one presentation and then delete the other half of the slides in the other presentation as well. Now you have split a PowerPoint presentation into two separate ones. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.